Hey guys, welcome to East Hall High School. I'm your athletic director, Adam Rich. I'm excited to have you guys here, and I'm so glad that you guys are joining us and our programs that are continuing to grow and strive as we move forward. I want to show you just around some places and things you need to know in order to be an athlete here at East Hall High School. First of all, you're all automatically eligible as ninth graders. So welcome, and let's get you guys on the field and courts soon. Now remember, next semester you have to pass 5 out of 7 courses in order to continue your eligibility. So as you go forward, make sure you keep your grades up so that way you can continue to play sports. The second thing you need to do is make sure you have all your physicals and all your paperwork's completed. So a couple different things. If you go to our school website, as you see here, you can see all of our coaches. Any information you want to know about our coaches and sports that we have on our programs, you can see them here. But what I want to bring your attention to would be athletic forms and news. And here you'll see all of our athletic forms for the school year. Specifically, if you go right here under athletic forms, and we have now switched to a fully digital program where your parents will complete your forms online using Dragonfly. To get them signed up on Dragonfly, you need to click on this link here, and this is the link that'll set them up for Dragonfly, which is this website here where we house all physicals and forms as we go forward. Now, you will still need a paper copy of your physical that you need to take to the doctor, and then you will give that form to your coach, and the coach will upload that form to Dragonfly. You also might need a paper copy of the concussion form. That's also right here in this athletic packet as well. The rest of the forms you will fill out online. Aside from that, we're excited to have you again. Welcome to Valhalla, and I look forward to working with you the rest of this time. Thank you and have a great day.